Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments. I do read every one of them. Y'all, what I'm about to tell you, me and my wife was talking about it last night. I was telling her how our government is set up. It is set up so the president cannot do anything. Right now we've got a Republican president. The Democrats are not letting him do anything. Okay, what I just heard is Biden and Kamala Harris, I believe is her name, they've got a bigger stimulus package planned. Okay, let me tell you, if they're voted into office, they're Democrats. The Republicans are not going to let them do it. So don't vote for them just for a bigger stimulus package, because it will not come to pass. It will be just like Donald Trump trying to get a big stimulus package passed, and the Democrats are not letting him. Well, the Republicans will not let them. The way our government is set up, our president cannot do anything. It's all up to the House and the Senate, the Republicans and the Democrats. It's not up to the president. He's a cheerleader just like me and you. He has no power when it comes to this. Yes, he did have his executive orders, but you see how flawed they are. They're not going to work. Y'all, don't vote for Biden and Harris because they're saying they want a bigger stimulus package. The Republicans won't let it happen, just like the Democrats are not letting it happen for the president we have right now. Y'all, me and my wife was just talking about this, and then I seen this on somebody else's channel. Y'all don't buy into that. That will not work. That got my blood boiling. Y'all, I do love y'all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and I will see you later. Ciao.